Hi, my name is Mark Hewlin. Do you or does a family member have difficulty getting out of a recliner? Most of that difficulty is caused because the hips are below the knee joints. Well, we have a solution that will make it easier for anyone to easily rise from their favorite recliner. It is the Stand with Ease Chair Riser by Upright Comfort. When placed under your chair, the riser enables you to stand up more easily, all the while minimizing the strain on your back, hips, and knees. Best of all, the riser is designed to be set up easily and simply. It arrives pre-assembled, yet is fully adjustable in width, length, and height to accommodate virtually all recliner sizes. And once in place, you never have to make any adjustments again. The patented riser is made in the USA of sturdy, high-quality steel and supports persons up to 350 pounds. The riser does not interfere with the footrest or with the chair's reclining function. So now we're done. You can see my hips are higher than my knees, making standing up much easier. With our Stand with Ease chair riser, you will enjoy continued independence and have confidence standing up on your own.